Okay, this is 1530 Spruce Street. Large apartment building in the Rittenhouse Square neighborhood, bordering Rittenhouse Square Graduate Hospital. Tons of bars and restaurants nearby. It sits on beautiful Spruce Street. The building's called the Newport. Okay, it's really pretty. Well maintained, updated building. Nice land, like flower pots. It's a really pretty building. This is the main entrance. Keypad entry. There's a small gym in the building. It's an elevator building as well. Goes all the way to the end there. And all the way up. There's a second entrance. Or exit. Around the corner. So again, keypad entry. Can be dropped off inside the locked door, which is a huge benefit today. Okay, this is the common area. Really nicely maintained, great security. Okay, that's that other entrance I was showing you before. Here's the elevator, stairwell. Okay, I'm gonna go down. I'm gonna be waiting a second. I'm gonna go down to see some of the other common spaces. There's your mail area. Okay. Another one of your exits. The elevator. That's how you would get up to the unit. Again, really nicely maintained. Well secured property. If you don't have stackable washer dryer in the unit, which many of them do, these are some common area units if needed. Here's the fitness center. So everything will go on. Nice machines. That's the game. Standard bench. Weights. Cardio equipment. That's the common space. Now, as we head back up, we would then be going up to the unit. That's what will connect to this video to show you the main space. Hope you like it.
Hello. I'm here on the 5th floor. I just came out of this elevator. Here to show you the studio apartment as you come out of the elevator, on your right hand side, you have these steps to go down to the first floor. You also have the fire exit here. There are 5 units on this floor. The unit I'm about to show you, the studio unit number 522. All right, as you walk in, you see this beautiful hardwood floor, very high ceiling, a lofted bed, and a window, big window for a natural light. Let's go up and show you what the lofted bed looks like. Here in the bed, you could fit a full mattress here. You have this small space with the outlets for your phone if you need to charge it while you're here. And under the loft, you have your kitchen. In a kitchen, you have everything. You have a dishwasher there, a garbage disposal, built-in microwave, a cabinet space, range hood, gas oven and cooktop. You have a refrigerator. Here is the garbage disposal, and on the just right under the panel, the electric panel, you have that small shelf space. So across from the kitchen, you see on the right your full bath. On your left, you have a walk-in closet. Nice size walk-in closet. It will take a lot of clothes in there. The next is your bathroom. You have a nice tap shower combo. It has a tile wall throughout, a tile floor, a toilet. You have a medicine cabinet, vanity, and also you have a window for a fresh air. Here is what the unit look like from here. The unit has a central heat and air. Tenant will be responsible for electric. Landlord pays for water and cooking gas. This is what unit 522 looks like. I hope you like the video. I hope you like the unit. Thank you for watching. Bye.